So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about opportunity for data associate role in company Amazon, where even 12th pass, diploma or graduates can apply. You also don't need to have experience for this. If you are a fresher, then also you can apply. If you are experienced, then also you are eligible. So in this video we are going to look at the eligibility criteria for this role, how you can apply for this role, the job description, and the interview questions and answers. So be there in the video till the end so that you can understand the complete process for data associate role. And in case you have landed new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the eligibility criteria. So as I said, if you are a 12th pass or a diploma or a graduate, you can apply for this. You need to have good communication skills. You need to also have knowledge of MS Office like Word and PowerPoint. So now moving on to the job description. Here you will have to label functions such as transcription, annotation, and dialogue evaluation on speech and text data to access and improve Alexa's performance. So you basically have to listen to certain transcripts in different accents and English language and different languages like Hindi and regional languages, and then work on Alexa so that it can understand different accents and its performance can be improved. So another thing is you have to work on speech and text data to enhance performance of Alexa. You should be comfortable working with speech from various dialects and accents of English, Hindi, or a regional language where you are living. Next, job details. The salary for this role is between 2.5 to 3 lakhs per annum, which comes out to be 20 to 25,000 per month. The location will be currently work from home, but after the pandemic, you may have to relocate to Chennai. But relocation allowance will be provided by Amazon. That is a great thing for this. So you don't need to spend any single penny from your pocket when you will be relocating. Now we come to the interview round. So the round one consists of online test. So the first online test will be English grammar, which consists of 30 multiple choice questions. I have made a video on that also. Link is given in the description box. You can watch that video to know what kind of questions come in that text. Then there will be version written test. So again I have given link in the description for version written test also, where I have completely described all the parts of version written test and how you can attempt them. And if you clear that, then the next online test will be where you will hear certain audio files in different accents of English, Hindi or regional languages, and then you have to write that into that language. So it is basically to check whether you understand the different accents and different languages or not, for which you have said that you know that language. And then once you clear that online test, you will move on to the next round, which will be an HR or the managerial round. So next we will concentrate on the questions that come in the HR or the managerial round. So these are some of the most common questions that they ask. So firstly, they can ask you to describe your resume. So if they tell you that, you need to tell about your education background, your previous experience if you have mentioned in resume, your accomplishments if any if you have mentioned, your extracurricular activities that you participated in school or college, your interests and hobbies. Next, they can ask you about is why you want to join in this role. So here the tip is highlight your strengths that you have related to this role and back it up with real life examples. So this role requires good communication skills. So you can say you have good communication skills, and as an example, you can say that you have participated in debate competitions where you displayed these skills. You can say that you are multilingual, so tell about the languages you know. You can say English, Hindi and any other regional language that you know. You can say that you are a team player because they have clearly written that they need someone who can work in a team. So you can give example of team project that you did in college or previous organization to show your team working skills. Next interview question: what do you know about Alexa? Now, this is also a very common question for this role. So in very simple terms, I have written Alexa is Amazon's voice-based AI-powered digital assistant that powers an entire smart device ecosystem. Alexa can reply to simple queries and perform various tasks on command that one gives. As an example, Amazon Echo is a smart speaker that responds to voice commands using Alexa. So you must have seen an advertisement where people say Alexa to play a song and then Alexa plays their song. So that is the Amazon Echo. Now, the next and a very important question, tell me about a time when you prove your leadership ability. So, in this role, in the job description, they have also written that someone who is a self starter, so they need to check your leadership abilities. So, the tip here is use the STAR method. Now, what is the STAR method? First, you will highlight your strength, then the task, then your approach, and then the result. So, how you can apply for this question, I will show you with a sample answer. So I have written a sample answer. So first of all, you will describe about a situation. So it could be during my final year in college, I had to work on a team project. Our team comprised of 6 members. We decided to make Tarun as our team leader as he had the best knowledge of that subject and also had excellent communication skills to present the project in front of professor. But then, moving on to the task, however, he got ill just a couple of days before our presentation date. It was pretty clear that he would not be able to deliver the presentation and, in fact, will not be able to do his share of work in making the presentation. So, someone from our team had to take charge of delivering the presentation as well as completing it on time. So, this was the task that you had in hand, that your main team leader was ill at that time and then somebody had to take up the responsibility. Then you will show the approach that you followed. So although I was also a bit scared to deliver the presentation in front of the professor, but I took this opportunity as a challenge to overcome my fear. Firstly, I called all other team members to my home and divided the extra work equally among all of them so that no one feels overburdened. Next, I delivered presentation 2 to 3 times in front of them until I got a positive feedback. And lastly, the result. So as a result, I was able to confidently deliver the presentation in front of the professor and received good remarks. My team members also appreciated my work and leadership skills. Thereafter, I never feel scared to deliver presentation even in front of many people, and I firmly believe I also conquered my fear of public speaking. So in the result, you have shown positive result and you have shown the learnings and the advantages that you had. So this is the way to answer this question. Next question they can ask is, how do you work under pressure? Because they have written that sometimes you have to work under deadlines, so they can ask this question. So here the tip is, show how you use stress as a motivator and how you use your time management skills in stressful situations, because again in JD they have also written they need someone to have good time management skills, and then quote a real life example. So a sample answer for this could be, over the course of my career I have learned to thrive while working under pressure. When I begin to feel stressed at work, I use a few strategies to help me stay focused. First, I learn to accept the situation. If I have a pressing deadline, I work to prioritize my most important tasks and get my work done. I find that being adaptable helps me handle pressure quite well. Another strategy I use is finding a positive mindset. I try to reframe every challenge as an opportunity. This helps me stay motivated and excited to try more difficult tasks. So, firstly, you have shown that you work well under pressure, and then you have shown the strategies that you use when you are under stress. And then, as an example, during my final semester in college, I had to attend 3 exams on the same day, as I couldn't clear 2 subjects of the earlier semester due to health issues. But I took it as a challenge, used my time management skills by dividing each day into 3 working blocks of 4 hours each, concentrating on all these subjects, which eventually helped me to clear all the exams in one go. So, this is how you can answer this question, first by telling the strategies and then telling an example. Next interview question they can ask is, why Amazon? So you can tell good things about Amazon, like it has good work culture, there is performance driven environment, they take care of employee well-being, they have a good brand name, and they give good learning opportunities by participating in trainings and workshops. And then 14 leadership principles of Amazon, you must be aware of that. So I have given a link below again in the description box. This will redirect to you to Amazon site where these principles are written. So I would suggest you to go through all these principles. Then next question they can ask you, why should we hire you for this role? Now this is a very tricky question, so I have made a separate video on it again, and the link has been given in the description box. You can go to that video and you will then realize how to answer this question for this role. And next question, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? So for this question, I always tell you not to say and brag about things like saying that I want to be the leader of the team or something like that, because you are applying for a junior level role. So highlight that you want to learn new skills. So you can say that I look forward to learn new skills and improve my knowledge to advance my career. In few years from now, I see myself as a knowledgeable professional having an in-depth knowledge of the role, company as well as the industry. So friends, this was about this video and this role. I hope you would have understood about this data associate role and will feel confident to apply for it. And in case this video has been helpful to you in any way, please like this video because it takes a lot of effort for me to know to make this video in such detail. And please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.